Hey Trombones, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to review Accent Book 2, page number 8. In this page, or on this page, we are going to review the fact that we can play the note F, the fourth line F. We can use an alternate position, sixth position, to play our fourth line F. Also on this page, page 8, we're talking about half steps and whole steps. On a piano keyboard, the distance between any two keys that are next to each other, adjacent keys, they're called half steps. And two half steps equal a whole step. From A to B flat, that's a half step. From A to B is a whole step. So we'll explore some of that as we go through page 8 here together. Especially in number 21, different steps. We've got some parts of this line of music that are described for us as half steps and whole steps. Look over the line and see if you can point out where the half step intervals are and where the whole step intervals are. We're also going to play this exercise in cut time. So we're going to play it as 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Cut time, remember, the values of the notes are cut in half. Half notes, which normally got 2, now get 1 count or beat. And whole notes would get 2. They normally get 4. Play number 21 with me. Different steps. Okay? B flats, but E naturals. So be careful of your second note. It's in second position, E natural. 1, 2, here we go. In the middle of this exercise is a whole note F. I've played that whole note F in sixth position using my alternate slide position. Let's try number 21 again and try putting that whole note F in sixth position. And 1 and 2 and here we go. It's a nice change, adding that alternate sixth position in there. Our next piece is probably not too unfamiliar to you. You probably recognize this next one, Up on the Housetop. It's in 4/4 time, so regular common time. It's got B flats and E flats. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and ready, set, here we go. As you played through that, you probably noticed a few spots where you could use that new alternate F in sixth position. I know I sure did, and I even experimented and tried it a few times. Our next piece is Zoom Golly Golly. It's a duet. I'm going to start by playing line A, and this is 2 lines. So I'll play the top line A, and then I'll continue to the bottom line A. And if you'd like to, you can join me with the part A, or you can play the part B as a duet. So one of the things we need to remember in this is the flats. It's in common time, 4/4, but it's got 4 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. So if you have any D notes, they're going to be needed to play in 5th position. Here we go. Zoom, golly, golly. Part A. 1, 2, ready, and go. How'd you do on that? Remember, you can always pause, rewind, and replay any of these sections that you need to. In part B, we've got some optional sixth positions written in for us, so take advantage of those. Let's play part B. 1, 2, ready, and... Well done. In the last exercise, Accent on Theory, identifying half steps and whole steps, you're going to label the half steps with the triangle symbol, and you're going to label the whole steps with the bracket symbol. For an example of that, use number 21 at the top of the page. That'll help you label them and put them in place. Let's play this number 24 on our trombones one time before we finish the video. So E, second position, E natural, and F sharp, fifth position. 1, 2, 24, and... Great. Take your pencil and put in those half step markings and those whole step markings. Excellent job today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I'll see you again soon. Keep practicing.